It's pretty unusual. It looks more like a cockpit than something I'd consider a gaming chair. What it has, it's basically a recliner that you can jump into, and it also has space to hold three 27-inch monitors that kind of come around you. It almost looks like a scorpion tail curled up. The entire setup can move around, so you can recline the seat even more. There's a footrest that you can extend as well, and the monitors come up and down. There's a lot of mechanics involved in this thing. And this wouldn't be a gaming chair if it didn't have a little rumble. As I was playing Tomb Raider and just running around, I could feel the chair vibrating as rocks were falling next to me, and with every gunshot, you could really feel it as well. It was a little awkward to control because the keyboard is just sitting right in front of you and the mouse. It really feels like you're in a strange little cocoon of gaming. And the chair was also great for the new Tomb Raider game. It spans across all three monitors, so it's just a nice expansive worldview. And I think in particular for racing games where you'll have the main car in front of you and just having things fling by you, and flight simulators as well, this will be a good setup for people who really want to get into those types of immersive situations. As a chair, the Predator Thronos is pretty comfortable. It felt like I could sit there and just game for several hours on end. But if Acer is really going to go through with this, they kind of have to give us more space to veg out for a while. I'd love a cup holder